welcome back. Engines out. We're doing the belly pan this week.
Yeah, all the stuff that's under the belly pan. Heaters, pipes, cables, stuff like that.
Yeah, we're taking this off the pan, and then we'll see where we're at under there.
Okay, just like that.
I didn't see where.
And do all of them all the way around.
Okay, but what if it falls?
Huh?
What if it falls?
Well, it's not gonna fall. It's the last one.
I don't want to do that. Ew. Get out of my face.
Lots of nests.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Yeah, definitely a nest inside there. I'm just gonna cut these hose clamp things off because they are way too rusted to do anything with. So.
Here's the key we found that a rat put into, what was it? What was that part?
The heater duct.
The heater duct. We don't know if this is the key. I'm gonna wipe it off.
Some sort of relay up here on top of the heater thing. Again, just all spade connectors. Thanks, Volkswagen. Figure out how this comes off. Looks like it should just slide right off. Okay, so we got a couple of bolts there holding some brackets on that look rusted beyond. And another thing on top of that too. Another like sensor or something on top of this. Who knew? Who knew they were this fancy in '77 spring? So this is the best rust penetrant. Oh, sorry about the light. Best rust penetrant. Better than anything out there. It's just regular brake fluid and a little spray bottle.
Dad approved. Regular pliers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Okay.
Okay, and then give me the cutters.
The dikes.
Never
mind.
Okay. Looks like some sort of a fuel heater in the heater box. Very odd. Maybe they needed it. All right. Now let's see if we can get this piece off. That it also has a nest in it.
Okay.
There we go.
I don't have gloves on.
There we go.
The dog food.
There we go.
I got a glove on this time. Only one glove.
Looks like it was the fuel pump harness. Went up to the fuel pump and went up to the something else and comes through into the engine compartment and through this little hole. There we go. Fuel pump harness. Now we got an evap line. A couple of zip ties, so we'll cut them. That goes up to that hard line right there. That looks like a Phillips. Couple more zip ties. Off. Oof. Nothing really to pry against. Okay. Now we will cut it.
We actually lost audio 3/4 of the way through. But thank you for watching. Thank you for now 30 subscribers. I said 25 in the video, but we actually hit 30 in the past 2 days. So thank you for that. Check out our website to our blog, link down below. And make sure to like and subscribe.